How to find LinkedIn username. Let's get started. Launch your LinkedIn app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the profile icon given at the top left corner. Now click on your profile option given at the very top. Once you're in the profile page, click on three dots given over here. Navigate to the option Contact Info. Now in this page, you will be able to find your LinkedIn username. Here you can see that. So this is your LinkedIn username. You can copy this ID by clicking on it. Click on the option of copy, or also you can click on the option of share via and then use any of these platforms to share your LinkedIn username. If you want to edit this LinkedIn username, you can click on this pen icon, and from here you are able to change it and save it. So this way you can easily find LinkedIn username. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.